Yesterday, I promised to show you where I found an extra $47 a month hiding in my budget. No side hustle, no extra hours, just money that was already mine. Here's the reveal. It's called subscription creep, and it's probably happening to you right now. Think about it. That $5 meditation app you downloaded 3 months ago. The $12 streaming service you signed up for to watch one show. The $9 free trial you forgot to cancel. The $7 cloud storage you don't need because your phone already backs up automatically. These charges are designed to be invisible, small enough that you don't notice, recurring so you never have to approve them again, and hidden in a bank statement you probably don't check. On their own, they feel like nothing. $5, that's not worth thinking about. But here's what they don't want you to realize. Add them up. I had 9 subscriptions I'd completely forgotten about. 9. When I totaled them, $47 a month. That's $564 a year. Gone. For things I wasn't even using. And I'm not unusual. Studies show the average person underestimates their subscriptions by $100 to $200 a month. That's over $1,000 a year you might be losing without knowing it. So how did I find mine? I used the Finance Reset Toolkit. Instead of scrolling through months of bank statements trying to spot recurring charges, which takes forever, the toolkit helped me audit everything in minutes. I saw every subscription in one place. The ones I use, the ones I forgot, the ones that were literally stealing from me every month. Then I made decisions. This one stays, I use it daily. This one goes, haven't opened it in months. This one, I didn't even know I was paying for it. Canceled. Next. In under 15 minutes, I found $47 a month. That's money I can redirect to savings, to debt payoff, to something that actually matters. All because I finally saw what was leaking out. The worst part? I thought I was being careful with money. I thought I knew where it was going. But these small charges slipped past me for months, maybe years. That's how subscription creep works. It's silent, it's small, and it adds up fast. You probably have your own $47 hiding somewhere, maybe more. The only way to know is to look. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop the leak. Grab the Finance Reset Toolkit at the link in the description. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.